It's OEM, straight out of the M8 type of thing. There you have it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog, nighttime vlog. Super shout out all my slow speeders. If you guys have not subscribed, definitely you know what to do. Down below, hit the subscribe button, like, and even comment. Emojis matter too. Today we're gonna hang out. David and Lionel with me in their cars. We're gonna go to the city because, well, the city is gonna shut down on the 1st, so it might not even be packed now. We ain't gonna do no parties like that. Unfortunately, I don't even know if I have a mask on me, but we gonna drive around, hang out, chill, talk shit, and yeah, I got some plans coming for another thing, so we're gonna talk about that as well. And yeah, so just stay tuned, stick along for the ride, and I hope you guys like that little push button start crystal thing. All right, guys, I'll see you when we get back to the city. Let's follow the car.
This nigga's crazy. This nigga's nuts.
Fuck, I just closed my foot in the door.
Oh, shit. Okay, go.
What happened?
Okay, not that.
No, you can stay right there. Well, you can back up.
Back up to what? Wait, give me 1 second. This sound crazy. Good. At BMW, at its natural habitat. At the dealer. Even when it's not broken, it still comes to the dealer. Cause I be creeping on them M's. Just creeping.
Yo,
whenever there's an M, I'm around the corner, baby. Waiting on that ass.
doing a quick pull down the block over there, alright? light. You won't launch right now. Wait. The light not green yet. Antagonize David to launch. Oh, look. I know what he's looking at now. You try to pull up on the curb? Ah. Launch it. Thought it was gonna launch. What the fuck?
Guys, get off! Stop staring at me before Crips and fucking Bloods come over here. Get the fuck out of my face! Please the fuck out! Man, I know somebody.
You guys can see right here. Boom. If y'all checked out the intro, you see we got a little stop start button right here, crystal. I'll put the link down below where you guys can get that little start stop button. You see this crystal start stop button I did? $19.99, baby. Yeah.
That's nice. You sit on. You sit on a all the way back.
Do you see these tents? This nigga is a nigga of niggas.
I'm black. I'm not even Caribbean.
Nigga been chilling with mad Caribbeans.
Nah, you ain't never lied.
To block the seats. Don't put that dirt in my car. Put the towel down.
Yeah, you stupid. Nah, it came out nice though.
Did you get the tank top?
Who?
I saw your video about the tank top.
Oh yeah, I ain't go back yet.
No?
Nah, I've been busy.
I
Yeah.
saw your video and I was just like, and then I saw you come here. I was like, why did you just have me?
I told him. I told you. I think just got walked into it. I told you so. Like,
Yo.
that's why you only go to YP or
Nah, cause he was telling me like next year type time. For
No. What? He gave him 2 days, and his impatient ass couldn't wait 2 days.
That's why.
Nah, that's probably what happened.
Right. That's
Yeah.
That's the second part. I got 2 days. Nah, bro, I had to push your videos out, man.
Yo.
Sometimes you need a bad experience for content, man.
Nah, but yo.
Everything can't go perfect in your car. Niggas don't fuck with it.
But but for real though,
Niggas need to know the struggle. And I think
rather-
my struggle is only tense.
I'd rather be a bad 10 job than a bad turbo job any day, bro.
Shit. Yo, tense all day, baby.
Exactly.
I can't put my window down. Fuck.
I can't go on boost. That's a different problem, bro.
Yo, boost. Woo. That daily gonna be my real day. That daily's an option. It's forced now.
Now, the stop start button is not really a necessity. It's just something that kind of pretty much looks nice. To be honest with you, once I put it on, I liked it for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but then you just kind of forget about it. You jump in the car, you press start, and there you go. You know, it's more so, I think it's more so one of those things that it fits really nice, looks nice with the interior, but after a while, you kind of really don't notice it, but then when people get in the car, they go, oh wow, that's really nice. I'm like, yeah, it's a little crystal thing I put on, so there you go. But for the win, do I recommend it? Yeah, I do, because it looks nice. I put some of the clips that's gonna be in this video. I think I'm gonna drop it tonight, hopefully at a time, from last night. It was crazy, but I'm gonna get out of here, close this video. I hope you guys like it. A little bit rushed. I'm still trying to get the hang of going out and vlogging the whole time, but got another video coming because I got my carbon fiber trunk lip in the back. I'm gonna show you that a little bit. Boom. So stay tuned for that because that's what we're doing right now over at YP AutoDetail. And yeah, like I was saying, crystal stop-start button for the win. Had some good times, hung out in the city a little bit, did a little bit of talking. Stay tuned because we got a couple things coming. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out, guys.